Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your server not loading on Discord on your mobile. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being your internet connection. So try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Also make sure that VPN is always turned off and try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode just to give it that quick little refresh. If that is not the case, try updating your application. So open your App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever device you're using, and simply go ahead and search for Discord just like that. And now all we need to do is simply go ahead and tap on Twitch live streaming. So now tap on Discord right over here, and there's going to be an update button right over here where the open button is. As you can see, if there is not any update button, then all you need to do is simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your app and restart your device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.